welcome back to another episode. This is going to be quick. So this is something that, I don't know, kind of semi-bothered me a little bit. Had a conversation, not really a conversation, slight back and forth with somebody else regarding one of the other videos. And they strongly stated that they wanted performance parts. So I decided to be like, you know what? Let me talk on that. My belief is that all parts are performance parts. Just because they keep your car operating at a certain level does not mean that they not are performance parts. Because I guarantee you, if you get an OEM or standard part that doesn't operate to what you're used to, you're going to say this performance is trash. So there are low quality performance parts, there are OEM quality performance parts, and then there are high performance aftermarket parts. And when you talk about performance parts, people always think aftermarket high performance. So for an example, a turbo, you have high performance part. Just because you have a small turbo doesn't mean it's not capable of high performance. It's typically going to be used on like in case of Volkswagens, Audis, Porsches, well, not Porsches, like let's just say, you know, newer Fords and Chevys, right? They're used to get you better gas mileage and occasionally to replace the power of a V6 or a V8 cylinder. Now, if you have a tuner guy, someone who's looking to make big power, he's going to go with a high performance aftermarket turbo, something that its specific job is to put out big numbers. So there's a difference. So if the turbo in your, I don't know, let's say your Chevy Cruze goes bad, you're looking to maintain the performance that came from the factory. Now, if you put something 3 times the size of that into your Chevy Cruze, now what you're looking for is to increase your performance to become high output. So, if you have anything to say on that, leave it down in the comments. And as always, Wrench Daily.